In this video, we'll show you how to use Crete safely and correctly. Crete is a heavy-duty descaler designed to chemically dissolve uric acid crystals and calcium scale inside urinal lines. It is highly recommended to wear protective gloves and eye protection when using the product. Don't mix Crete with other chemicals. Crete doesn't damage metal, but delicate finishes can be protected with a thin layer of Vaseline. To prevent staining, avoid spilling on fabrics and chrome fixtures. On skin contact, wipe with a dry towel, then rinse with water. No immediate burning occurs. If other chemicals were used, rinse the drain thoroughly before applying this product. For a standard treatment, use one full 16-ounce bottle per urinal. Pour the product slowly and directly into the trap. Crete is denser than water, so it sinks directly to the bottom of the P-trap where scale buildup is heaviest. Secure the unit with an out-of-order bag so it cannot be used. Leave the product overnight for best results. Then remove the bag and flush the unit 3 to 4 times. This clears dissolved mineral buildup and neutralizes the line. If the drain is still blocked, repeat the treatment the next night. If calcium deposits are visible on the porcelain, apply the product to the bowl walls as well. For preventative maintenance, pour 1/4 to 1/2 of a 16-ounce bottle once per week to prevent buildup. For more detailed information, including safety data sheets and technical specifications, contact us. Thank you for choosing Brody to keep your facility running at peak performance.